Hi there. In this video on how to use the GuardOn app, we'll show you how to pair your GuardOn Freedom Key with the app. Note that the process is similar for pairing our other wearables as well. First, open the Wearables screen. You can do that from the Wearable button on the home screen, or from the menu as well. You might want to tap the power toggle button to enable high power mode so that paired wearables always stay connected. Now, to add a wearable, tap the Add button. You may be prompted to switch Bluetooth on if it's disabled. Tap Allow. The app will now search for wearables and list them here. Now press both blue and red buttons on your Freedom Key together once. You'll notice the blue LED blinking, which indicates the key is open for connection. If your wearable isn't found, tap Refresh to try again. Upon discovery, simply tap the listed wearable name to pair it with the app. That's it. Your Freedom Key is now paired with the app. To learn how to raise safety and medical alerts, please go through the in-app demo. GuardOn wearables make it quicker and more discreet to raise an alert. Get them from our website if you haven't already. To learn more about how GuardOn can keep you safe, please visit our website, and feel free to write to us should you have any doubt. Thank you.